Hi, I'm Diet.
And I'm Jimbo.
And we are Turtles Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today, Jimbo, I'm really excited because we are making sweet potato cheesecake.
Yes!
It's his favorite.
I love it!
He loves it. He loves it. So.
Okay, sorry.
I know.
Okay, that's nice. We're making cheesecake pound cake.
Cheesecake
pound cake. Cheesecake. Okay, go ahead. Continue. All right.
We're going to start by making the foundation of our cheesecake. And that starts with a graham cracker crust. Okay, so we're going to use 25 crackers. And we're going to go ahead and pulse it up into the food processor. So
this is gonna be a great. This is gonna be a great day.
It's gonna yes. See, it wasn't just me. Jimbo had a hard time.
Right.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25.
Yeah. Okay, where's that top?
And pulse it up. Is this thing on me?
Is this thing on me?
Is this thing on?
Just plug up. Oh, safety foist. I don't know if y'all can tell how excited I am about this sweet potato cheesecake.
Sweet potato cheesecake. 50 grams of light brown sugar.
You said 50. We're at 74.
We're going to do 50 grams of brown sugar.
All right. Got that in there. Give that a nice whisk.
Okay, we're going to do 50 grams of granulated sugar.
What's this thing? What's this button called? Need? Need?
Pause.
Pause!
All right, I'm going to sit that over here because we are going to need that a little bit later. Mm-hmm. Now it's time to add in a little bit of spices to our graham cracker crust to give us the flavor profile of the sweet potato pie.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Get the spice.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Put that on in here.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
And 1 teaspoon of allspice.
Mm-hmm. That stuff gets me every time.
And Jim is gonna pulse it up.
Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna add in the melted
butter. Oh God.
Drizzle it in.
I'm trying to tell y'all.
All right, ready? So pulse it up.
Next time y'all see me. Oh yeah.
All right, Jimbo. We are ready to scrape it in. All right. Now I'm going to just, with my clean hands, squish it down and squish it all around. And as I'm pushing, I'm also moving it up the sides. And you're going to have enough graham cracker crumb to be able to go to the bottom and to the sides. And then what I like to do is also take one of my cups and kind of also push it down once I kind of got it in, and it also gives it even a better, like, smoother thing. We're ready now to place this in the oven on 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So now that we have our graham cracker crust in the oven baking for 10 minutes, and Jimbo set a timer, now we're going to get ready to work on the cream cheese filling.
Okay.
We only use Philadelphia cream cheese around here. We're not sponsored, but you definitely can sponsor us.
Come on, Philadelphia.
Come on. But this is the best cream cheese to use if you want the most decadent, delicious,
oh gosh,
yummy,
woo,
cheesecake ever. All right, so we're gonna add in 4 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, or 34 ounces of cream cheese.
Get all that deliciousness out of that pack there.
He's not gonna miss any of it. He's gonna make sure it's all in there.
He needs all of that.
We need to put in 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, which is 150 grams. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add in the sugar. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sour cream. I'm gonna pass that for Jimbo to open. And we're gonna go ahead and put the sour cream in. You know, my favorite, vanilla bean paste. Gonna do 1 tablespoon of it. Whoops, inside the spoon. All right, Jimbo, next we're gonna add in 3 tablespoons of flour. And I just got it in this little spoon because it's making a little mess, but it's okay.
It's okay, baby. Don't worry about it.
Okay. All right. 1. This helps it set up.
2.
And 3. And mix it up. Okay, Jimbo, we're going to put in 4 eggs.
4 eggs.
And 1 egg yolk.
Okay.
1 by 1.
1 by 1.
Mix it up in between.
Okay.
Are you ready for the assignment?
I think I can handle it.
Do you understand the assignment?
I believe so.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
I didn't understand the assignment because I got a shell in my... It's okay. That's why you crack it in the bowl. Separate bowl. Now for the egg yolk. Crack open the egg, and we're going to move the egg yolk back and forth. Moving the egg yolk back and forth. Letting that egg white drop down. And now we're just adding the egg yolk only to the batter. And mix it up. Okay, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So now what we're going to do, Jim, if you can lift it up. I just want to scrape it down to make sure that we got everything incorporated together. See that was on the side?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to just like lift it. Look, see?
A lot of nice ingredients there.
Yeah. So you always to scrape your bottom because your mixer, blender, whatever you're using doesn't always go to the bottom. So you want to make sure you get the sides and the bottom so that all of your ingredients is thoroughly mixed in. Okay, there you go, Jim. All right, so now what we're going to do is work on the sweet potato part of our cheesecake. Okay. So right here I have 1 cup of sweet potato puree and roasted them, washed them, roasted them, blended them up, did all that we needed to do to make sure the strings are out and that they are ready to go into our cheesecake. And then what I'm going to do, if you can lift that up,
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take a cup of the cheesecake filling, and I'm going to mix it in with our sweet potatoes.
Oh yeah, this one make it crazy.
Okay. And Jim is not going to want me to waste any of this, so.
Please don't.
Okay. All right. So then I'm just going to go ahead and pour it into this bowl.
We're going to do 50 grams of brown sugar. Can I come get some brown sugar? Boom, 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 boom. Gotta be quicker than that. There we go.
All right, I'm gonna add that into my sweet potato pie filling. Put the paper towel in the trash. I just washed my hands. Gonna mix it up.
Mm-hmm.
Jimmy, you gonna add the seasonings?
It's looking good there.
It's looking good.
Yeah, what we need?
1 tablespoon of cinnamon.
Tablespoon. Cinnamon?
Coming up.
Mm. Let's throw our stuff.
All right.
1 tablespoon of cinnamon.
1 teaspoon of nutmeg.
Teaspoon. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. Ooh.
And then a 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. Let's see if Jim gets it all in there.
There we are. Yes. Now, I'm going to clean up.
Please. What's left to do? Well, we got to pour in the cream cheese filling and the sweet potato filling. I'm going to start by pouring in just the cream cheese filling, about 1/3 of it in. Then I'm going to take some of the sweet potato filling, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Now more of the cheesecake filling. And I'm just going to save just a little bit for the tippy top. Now the rest of the cheesecake, I'm going to go ahead and pour it all in. And I have like a little bit left that I can make maybe a little small cheesecake. And then the sweet potato, I'm just going to plop on the top. Now with my offset spatula, I'm going to go ahead and make some swirls. Not a lot, but just to swirl up the sweet potato and the cheesecake up just a little. Now I'm going to go ahead and place this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to reduce the temperature to 300 and bake for 40 minutes.
All right.
So someone's been in the cheesecake, Jimbo. Guys, look. You know, I don't know. It's just 2 of us here, but somehow there's a big chunk missing. But we're about to cut into the cheesecake. And we're going to tell you how it tastes. Ready, Jimbo, to cut it again?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
I don't know who did this, but they should be punished. There you go. There you go.
See, look, y'all. He even gave me the piece, the first piece. That goes to tell you somebody been down here in the cheesecake. You got it, Jimbo? All right.
Since this is our first slice, I think we should do it together.
Okay. Here we go.
It was me. I'm sorry. I couldn't wait. I love this thing.
He couldn't wait. This is very yummy and definitely something different for that Thanksgiving, Christmas time dessert table. If you want to see more of Jimbo the Baker and me, Diet, please make sure you subscribe. And we will see you both in the next video.
All right.